Incredible power of AI in manufacturing. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we share with you the coolest and craziest things happening in the world of technology. Today we have a mind-blowing topic for you: how artificial intelligence is transforming the manufacturing industry. Now, you probably know what artificial intelligence or AI is. It's when machines can learn from data and do things that normally require human intelligence, like recognizing faces, understanding speech, playing games, and making decisions. AI is everywhere these days, from your smartphone to your smart home to your smart car. But did you know that AI is also changing the way things are made? Manufacturing faces many challenges, such as increasing competition, rising costs, changing customer demands, environmental regulations, and quality issues. That's where AI comes in. AI can help manufacturers overcome these challenges by making their processes more efficient, flexible, reliable, and sustainable. AI can also help manufacturers create new products and services that meet the needs and expectations of their customers. In this video, I'm going to show you some amazing examples of how AI is transforming the manufacturing industry in different ways. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. First, let's talk about how AI can improve quality control. Quality control is the process of checking and testing products to make sure they meet certain standards and specifications. However, quality control can also be very time-consuming, labor-intensive, and error-prone. AI can help automate and enhance quality control by using machine vision and deep learning. Machine vision is when machines can see and analyze images using cameras and sensors. Deep learning is a type of machine learning that uses neural networks to learn from large amounts of data and perform complex tasks. By combining machine vision and deep learning, AI can inspect products faster and more accurately than humans can. For example, one of the leading manufacturers of automotive parts in the world, JTech Corporation, uses AI to detect defects in its bearings. JTech uses high-speed cameras to capture images of its bearings as they move along the production line. Then it uses deep learning algorithms to analyze the images and identify any flaws or anomalies in real time. This way, JTech can make sure its bearings are of high quality and prevent any faulty products from reaching its customers. Another example of how AI can improve quality control is Rolls-Royce, one of the world's leading manufacturers of jet engines for aircrafts. Rolls-Royce uses AI to monitor the performance and health of its engines during flight. Rolls-Royce collects data from thousands of sensors embedded in its engines and sends it to its cloud platform for analysis. Then it uses machine learning algorithms to detect any signs of deterioration or malfunction in its engines and alert its engineers before they become serious problems. Second, let's talk about how AI can optimize production planning. Production planning is the process of deciding what, when, where, and how to produce products based on customer orders, inventory levels, capacity constraints, and other factors. However, production planning can also be very complex, dynamic, and uncertain. AI can help optimize production planning by using predictive analytics and reinforcement learning. Predictive analytics is when machines use data and statistics to forecast future outcomes and trends. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning that uses trial and error to learn from its own actions and rewards. By using predictive analytics and reinforcement learning, I can plan production schedules that maximize output while minimizing costs and risks. For example, one of the largest manufacturers of precast concrete products in the US, Metromont Corporation, uses AI to optimize its production planning. Metromont produces customized concrete structures for buildings such as schools, hospitals, and stadiums. Metromont uses AI to predict customer demand based on historical data and market trends. Then it uses reinforcement learning to generate optimal production plans that balance demand with supply while considering factors such as material availability, labor capacity, equipment utilization, and delivery time. This way, Metromont can reduce waste, improve efficiency, and increase customer satisfaction. Third, let's talk about how AI can enhance product design. Product design is very important for manufacturers because it affects their innovation, differentiation, and competitiveness. However, product design can also be very costly, risky, and time-consuming. AI can help enhance product design by using generative design and natural language processing. Generative design is when machines use data and rules to generate multiple possible solutions for a given problem or goal. By using generative design and natural language processing, AI can help designers create better products faster and easier. For example, one of the most innovative manufacturers of electric vehicles in the world, Tesla, uses AI to enhance its product design. Tesla uses generative design to create lightweight and efficient parts for its cars. Tesla also uses natural language processing to analyze customer feedback and reviews from social media and online platforms. Then it uses this information to improve its products and services based on customer needs and expectations. Another example of how AI can enhance product design is Adidas, one of the world's leading manufacturers of sports apparel and footwear. Adidas uses AI to create personalized and customized products for its customers. Adidas uses generative design to create unique patterns and shapes for its shoes and clothing. Adidas also uses natural language processing to interact with its customers through chatbots and voice assistants. Then it uses this interaction to understand customer preferences and offer tailored recommendations. As you can see, AI is transforming the manufacturing industry in many ways. AI can help manufacturers improve quality control, optimize production planning, and enhance product design. AI can also help manufacturers reduce costs, increase profits, save energy, and protect the environment. AI is not only a technology, but also a partner for manufacturers. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.